In other news tonight, it has been more than a year since a Spokane Valley teen died in a near collision with a Spokane County Sheriff's deputy's vehicle. And tonight, lawyers are taking a closer look at DNA evidence. Now, court documents show that 15-year-old Ryan Hollick's DNA was found on the patrol car's bumper that investigators say never hit the teen. Hollick died from head injuries when he crashed his bike in the same intersection that Deputy Joe Bodman was speeding by. But Hollick's family says that Deputy Bodman is still responsible for the teen's death because he was speeding to a call without his lights and sirens on. Investigators also found Bodman had violated policy by not having his sirens and lights on, and they have filed a suit against the deputies, Spokane County, and the Sheriff's Office. It's a story you saw first on KXLY4, and our Grace Ditzler spoke to Sheriff Knezovich about why he says this evidence isn't new.
In court documents released to KXLY by the Hollick family's attorneys, the lawyers ask whether Hollick's DNA was found on the deputy's car. The county's attorney responds, quote, DNA matching Ryan Hollick's DNA was recovered from the driver's side pit bumper. But Sheriff Knezovich says the DNA is just one piece of this puzzle.
The reports are very clear that Deputy Bodman's vehicle did not hit Ryan Hollick.
According to the WSP Crime Lab, the DNA found on the bumper is a trace amount of cellular DNA, most likely skin. The Spokane Police Investigation Report says the most likely scenario is someone at the scene who attempted to help Ryan and had direct contact with him, also touched the bumper of the deputy's car and deposited Ryan's DNA.
If that bumper had made contact with Ryan's head, you would expect blood and or saliva to be on that bumper, and there was none.
Sheriff Knezovich says this information is not new to the case. It's in the detective's report dating back to September 2014.
For the citizens of this county to understand this case, we can't have an attorney cherry-picking pieces of evidence trying to make everybody believe something that did not happen. If he's going to do that, then let's produce all the evidence. Let's go to trial, and people can see what happened in this case.
The Hollick family's attorneys maintain Bodman's speeding and breaking the sheriff's policies caused Ryan Hollick's death.
All right, again, that was Grace Ditzler reporting.